Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, one arm reaching forward and the other at the back. Step lightly one leg forward while reaching the opposite arm back. Return your arms to center and switch sides. Keep your core tight and move smoothly. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and your arms raised and open to the sides. Twist your upper body to one side, reaching one arm up and the other out. Return to center, then twist to the other side. Keep your core tight and move smoothly. Stand tall with both arms stretched up overhead. Lift one knee up while the toes of that foot stay touching the floor. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds, keeping your body straight and your core tight. Lower the leg and switch sides. Stand in place with your feet apart, fists near your shoulders and elbows bent. Pulse gently up and down while opening your elbows out like wings. Bring your elbows back in as you pulse, keeping your chest open and tall. Keep the movement light and rhythmic. Stand tall with your feet together, elbows bent and hands near your shoulders. Lift one knee up while the toes of that foot stay touching the floor. Step back to center and bring your arms back in. Repeat on the other side, moving smoothly. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and your hands clasped behind your back. Twist your hips to one side while keeping your arms long behind you. Return to center, then twist to the other side. Keep your chest open and move smoothly. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and your arms relaxed by your sides. Step lightly to the toes while swinging your arms back. Step back to center while pulling your hands up overhead. Keep your chest open and move smoothly. Stand with your feet apart, one arm raised overhead and the other down by your side. Twist your hips to one side while swinging your arms in opposite directions. Return to center, then switch sides. Keep your core tight and move smoothly. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, one hand near your chest and the other ready to reach up. Twist your hips to one side while pushing one arm up overhead. Return to center, then twist to the other side and push the other arm up. Move smoothly and keep your core tight. Stand tall with your feet wide and your arms down by your sides. Open your arms out to the sides as you stand up tall. Raise your arms like wings overhead as you sink into a wide sumo squat. Push back up to standing and repeat the flow.